Hi friends, how are you? I'm Leon from LeonsBD, and in this tutorial I will show you how to count rows in Microsoft Excel. Okay, so suppose you want to see how many rows have in this table. Okay, so in this tutorial I will show you two methods. Okay, so at first I will show you method 1, then I will show you the limitation of method 1, and after that I will show you method 2 that will solve the problem of method 1. Okay, so let's get started. So suppose I want to count rows of this table. Okay, so what I'll do, so this is method 1, so I will use count function. So at first equal, then count, count, then first bracket, then I will select the range from here to the last up to this. Okay, so I'll close the bracket, hit enter, and see there have 9 rows actually. Okay, so this is number 1, this is number 1 rows, and this is number 9. So count function is enough to count my rows. What if this is method 1 actually? Now suppose I will filter this data. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll go to data and I will apply filter from here. So filter is applied in this column. So from here I will select suppose 19. That means I want to filter this years. Okay, so click on OK. Now only there are 3 rows. Now if I apply count function, see what happened. Equal count, first bracket, then I will select the range from here to here. I will close the bracket, hit enter. It is showing okay, there have only 3 rows. Now I'm deleting this function. Now if I filter 2005, if I select 2005 more, okay, now I'll check whether this count function will work or not. Okay, so equal count, first bracket, I'll select the rows from here to here, close the bracket, hit enter. See, now there are 4 rows actually, 1 2 3 4, but my count function is showing 8 rows. Okay, see, just because of this is number 2, this is number 3, this is number 4, this is actually Excel serial number. Okay, Excel itself serial number 4, and this is 9. That means in between there have more rows. That's why this count function is not able to count the rows in a proper way. So now I'll show you method 2 that will solve this limitation. Okay, so for solving this problem we will use subtotal function. Okay, so equal, then subtotal, first bracket, then you have to type 3 comma. Now I will select the data range. Okay, from here to here, close the bracket, hit enter, and see, in this time this function is able to show you the right number. Okay, there are 4 rows, 1 2 3 4, and this function is showing 4 rows. So in this way you can count rows in 2 methods. So method number 1 for normal counting, and method number 2 is for filtered rows. Okay, so if you think you are benefited by this video, give a huge thumbs up, share this content with your community. Thanks for watching. See you in the very next tutorial. Till then, take care.